Welcome back once again, myself Pransu Kumar Pathak, and in this particular session we will discuss about 2018 question answer. So first question is phosphate, you know. So I'm taking a pen to make you understand. Phosphate, carboxylates, sulfonate are esters of phosphoric acid, carboxylic is and sulfonic acid, okay, respectively. Which one of the following is not true? So you have to select not true statement. So dear friend, nucleophilic attack occur at acyl carbon in carbohydrate. That is perfectly all right and correct option. The nucleophile attack occur at acyl carbon of sulfonate. That is also correct. The nucleophile attack occurs at oxygen of phosphorus in phosphate. This is completely wrong statement. Okay. So sulfonate can be easily hydrolyzed. So this is again correct option. So dear friend, the prosthetic group present in acyl carrier. So right option is coenzyme A. So for this I have given you a chart. So let's try to understand this. Okay. So first I will erase all these things and then try to understand. These are the cofactors. I have taken this table from Garrett and Garrison for you. So enzyme cofactor, metal ion coenzyme, and enzyme with which they are associated. So metal ion in some enzyme that require, so iron is required for cytochrome oxidase, catalase and peroxidase. Copper ion is essential for cytochrome oxidase. Zinc ion is really very important for DNA polymerase. Carbonic anhydrase and alcohol dehydrogenase is really very important. And when this enzyme is not function, lead to liver cirrhosis in alcoholic patient. जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा अल्कोहल लेते हैं तो आपको क्या होता है, लिवर सिरोसिस होता है. और ड्यूरिंग लिवर सिरोसिस दिस एंजाइम इज नॉट फंक्शनल, दैट इज नोन एज अल्कोहल डिहाइड्रोजनेज. सो alcohol abuse is really very a problem to you, all of you guys, so try to understand. Second is the magnesium ion. This again very important for hexokinase, glucose 6 phosphate, and magnesium ion is also very important in DNA polymerization. Okay, so magnesium ion concentration is again very important for DNA polymerase also. Then manganese is for arginase. Potassium ion is really very much important for pyruvate kinase, and also magnesium ion is really important in this case also. So nickel second is urease, that is help to live the stomach bacteria like as pyroli bacteria, so that uses urease enzyme to protect themselves. So urease is again very important. And then molybdenum is nitrate rejected. When you go to understand the nitrogen fixation cycle, then you will understand the function of molybdenum. That the last one is selenium. Selenium is very important for glutathione peroxidase, and glutathione is really very important for you guys again. So and try to understand this coenzyme. Basically they are derived from the vitamin complexes, and these majorly these are a factor of vitamin B complex. Okay, so thiamine pyrophosphate, that is vitamin B1, that entirely transfer aldehyde group, that is representative enzyme and using coenzyme, that is pyruvate dehydrogenase. Okay, फ्लैवलिन जो FAD होता है वो हाइड्रोजन एटम को करता है, ठीक है, तो that you can see the succinate dehydrogenase. Okay, nicotina NAD is again very important. They used to transfer hydride ion, and as you can see that is your answer. So I am discussing this whole table because of this. Acyl group transfer is done by this. Paradoxal phosphate अमीनो ग्रुप ट्रांसफर करता है, ठीक है. विटामिन B12 is again very important for alkyl group transfer and hydrogen atom. Okay, biotin usually transfer carbon dioxide. Tetrahydrofolate is again very important, and this is again important for the female, which pregnant female के लिए tetrahydrofolate is really very important, और ब्रेन के लिए भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो वन कार्बन ग्रुप सच एज फॉर्माइल एंड मिथाइल ग्रुप ट्रांसफर ना. सो दीज आर अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू गाइज ट्राई टू write down on a paper and try to remember these things. Okay, let's come to the next topic. Okay, चलिए, here I have given you the B complexes, vitamin and disease associated with this. So thiamine causes beriberi, niacin, pellagra, folic acid again आपको मैंने बताया था एनीमिया काउज करता है, राइबोफ्लेविन से ये डिजीज होता है, ठीक है. So try to remember these all things. These points are again very important for you guys. So try to stop this video and try to mention these all facts, okay, on your notebook. Okay, good. Now there again I have given you one thing to remember, you guys. So these again very important for your examination purpose. Try to note these type things. Okay, so let comes to the another. This is again coenzyme A, pantothenic acid, acyl group transfer. So your answer is completely covered by these things. Okay, try to come to the another. Let's try to understand the pyranose. Pyranose is a term. This is used for saccharide, that is for monosaccharides. और बेसिकली पायरानोज और फेरोनोज की स्टोरी तब उठती है जब ये कहा जाता है साइक्लाइजेशन में जाता है. 6 कार्बन का रिंग होता है और एक हेट्रोसाइकिल है पायरोन, है ना, ऑक्सीजन एटम का है. तो ये आप अपने दिमाग में याद रखिएगा. देन आई विल ट्राई टू सोल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. सो हियर यू कैन सी दैट this is aldose. Glucose is aldose. So when alcohol and aldehyde try to react with each other to form a hemiacetal, and then hemiacetal leads to the formation of acetal. So this is your open chain structure. When it go into cyclization, then it form pyranose. Okay, so this is a 6 carbon member ring of oxygen atom. That is very important for you guys. Now again very important thing to understand about fructose and glucose. So glucose में this is your primary, है ना, this is your primary carbon and primary hydroxyl group is 2 in the case of fructose, and in the case of glucose this is only one primary alcohol. Primary alcohol means RCH2OH. If you are if you have having this type of configuration, then you can tell that compound as a primary alcohol. Okay, so primary alcohol group in fructose is 2 and in glucose that is 1. Why I am discussing? Because same thing is asked in 2018 examination. To try to understand the basic structures of these biomolecules, basically amino acid, carbohydrates, fats, lipids, so these all biomolecules is really very important for you guys. That is DNA structure. So this all things is going to help you in that examination also. So dear friend, come to the question. So this is pyran ring. तो pyran ring कैसा होता है? 6 member oxygen heterocycle. So this is your right answer. Now there is a primary hydroxyl group presence की बात कर रहा है fructose और glucose में. तो as I have given you and discuss about RCH2OH. So RCH2OH in fructose this is 2 and in glucose that is 1. So right option is 1. Okay. So during glycolysis fructose 1,6 diphosphate 2C3 fragment, that is the, इससे क्या बनता है नेक्स्ट स्टेप में, क्या बनता है PGA, है ना. तो ये जो रिएक्शन होता है वो क्या होता है, अल्डोल कंडेंसेशन रिएक्शन होता है. सो दिस ऑल आर रॉन्ग, बट राइट ऑप्शन इज retro aldol reaction, that is aldol condensation. Okay, come to the next question. The core functional unit in NADH, so that is known as dihydropyridine. You can go and try to understand about the structure of NADH, FADH. So this again very important. So a structure writing and knowing about the structures is really very important for you guys. Okay, so if a complementary radioactive double-stranded DNA molecule undergo 2 rounds of replication in a non-reactive medium, what will be the radioactive status in the resulting molecule? Half of the molecule contain no radioactivity, है ना. अब ये आंसर ही बहुत क्लियर है. इफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री रेडियोएक्टिव डबल स्ट्रैंड डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल अंडरगो 2 राउंड ऑफ रेप्लिकेशन, सो 1 स्ट्रैंड इज पेरेंटल एंड सेकंड स्ट्रैंड इज क्या, नॉन पेरेंटल. सो हाफ नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल कंटेन रेडियोएक्टिविटी एंड हाफ विल बी नॉन रेडियोएक्टिव. ठीक है, चलिए. So again you can try to note these things, and this again going to help you guys. So this is water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamin, and one question from vitamin is damn sure in your examination, so try to note these things. Okay, so now the question is, in meiosis the inversion in one member of pair of homologous chromosome will most likely to lead which one of the following. So chromosome with duplication and deficiencies. ठीक है, in meiosis inversion of one member of pair homologous chromosome will most likely to lead to the which one of the following. इसका right answer है chromosome with duplication and deficiencies. Okay, so into the next question, in a cross between two phenotypic ratio of offspring is 9:3:4. तो आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा 9:3:4 is a ratio for epistasis. This is non-Mendelian interaction. So non-Mendelian interaction आप पढ़ोगे, then you will understand these things. Okay. So next question is natural primer for reverse transcriptase in RNA tumor, that is the tRNA. Okay. Now the next question is asymmetry of DNA denaturation and renaturation curve is directly proportional to the genome complexity. So quad curve अगर आप नहीं पढ़े हैं तो quad curve पढ़ लो, that will give you the exact idea of this question. Okay, so come to the part 2. So we will meet as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching this my first part. I will come soon possible. So take care, bye.